Hello there. It can be so frustrating when you're trying to add your Instagram accounts and it's just not pulling them in. There's a couple of specific things you have to do, and 99% of the time, this is what kept it from working. So, what you need to do first is let's go verify that you have either a professional or a creator account. Very recently, fortunately, Instagram has allowed you to use a creator account on third-party tools. So I'm going to show you how to go change this. So first thing I'm going to do is click on the dashboard. Right here on mine, it shows I already have a professional account, but it'll show whatever your current level is. Right here, about in the middle of the screen, above the Edit Profile button, I'm going to click that. And once you're in here, you're going to click on this top right gear icon at the very top right of your screen, and then scroll down. What you're going to see is a preferences option. You'll see it's the fourth up from the dark mode, the bottom of the list. So go up to about, help, and then you'll see preferences. Click preferences. Now scroll all the way to the bottom. So you'll see that it says switch account type in blue. Click that and you'll be able to switch. If you have a personal account currently, that's what kept it from working probably. Don't log out yet because there's one more thing you'll need to check. But at this point, you'll need to switch to a creator or a professional. My recommendation is if you're a business, use a professional account. If you're, Charlie D'Amelio or somebody like that who's trying to become like an influencer type of person who's representing yourself, then you would want to do a creator account. That's just my recommendation. And once you're done with that, there's one more step. We're going to go back, 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 back. Just keep clicking the back button until you get back to the main original screen. And instead of clicking on that dashboard, right below it, you'll see Edit Profile. Click Edit Profile. And here's where we want to make sure that our Instagram account is connected to a Facebook business page that you manage. That's important. You've got to be an admin of that business page because the way Instagram works now that Facebook owns them is you're going to have to connect through a Facebook account. And once you connect through a Facebook account, that is an admin of a business page that is connected to your Instagram account, then it will pull in all of those Instagram accounts that are connected to that business page. It's very confusing, I know, but this is what we have to do as marketers to get these automation tools to work. So what I'm going to do now that I'm in here is I'm going to scroll down and let's just make sure that my page is connected. So right now, do you see in the middle on the left side, it says page? And then if you look across to the right, it says decade frames. That's the business page. So we are all set. If you don't see a business page listed there that you are connected to, that you are an admin of, you'll want to switch your Instagram account to a business page that you are an admin of. That's very important. That way you can add that business page within the software and it will automatically pull in your Instagram account. I hope this helps. Good luck.